So this is not luck, this is mastering the craft of trading, which I've traded the forex market, the financial market for the past 5 years, which is over half a decade. Okay, at FX right here, the prophetic analyst. Is good to be back on our weekly market forecast, okay, which we always come on here on YouTube to show you guys areas and levels in which you can make entries and exits of your charts to see how well you can make money for yourself using our signals and our projections during our weekly market forecast. So I am here to help you guys to project 1,000 pips into the future, which are mostly right 9 out of 10 times. Okay, so moving forward, this week we are going to analyze price from the week of the 8th, okay, to the 12th, okay, so which is the second week of April. Okay, so first of all, I like looking at my fundamentals, okay, of the high impact news which we would be anticipating for the new week. So as you can see, Monday, Tuesday we have no fundamentals or high impact news for Monday and Tuesday. So Wednesday we have some USD CPI and core CPI on Wednesday. For Thursday we have monetary policies, core CPI, monthly PPI, unemployment claims for Thursday, which have much of the fundamentals for the week. And Friday we have other consumer sentiment for USD and GDP monthly for the GDP pace. Okay, so those are the fundamentals that we would be looking out for next week. Okay, so moving on to the chart, let's see how we can use this to make money for ourselves, just as usual. Okay, and you all know that we have been on a 7-week winning streak. Okay, so this last week that just passed made it an 8th-week of winning streak on our signals and our setups in which I send to you. We do send to you guys on YouTube or our free Telegram community. So if you're not on a free Telegram community, do have to click on the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community and smash that like button, and also subscribe if you're a new subscriber to our channel. Okay, so moving forward, so first of all, we like starting with our DXY to know the overall move of DXY or the dollar index, okay, which is also called the dollar basket. Okay, because if you know the directional move for the dollar basket, we could determine the inverse or direct correlations with other pairs. Okay, so for next week, okay, which is actually a new week of the 8th to the 12th, we are looking for some retracement or some. Okay, but let's start from last week. Okay, from last week we had these two levels which we had marked out. We wanted price to break, retest this area, and push continuations to the upside, which you guys can see clearly how it's playing out, or it actually played out just like we analyzed. So if you had missed our last week video, or you think we are capping, here is the video. Price coming into the 140.5, 140.611 area, okay, thereabouts, and a push continuations to the upside. First level target will be 10.953 area, which is this black line here. Then we can target our second level all the way to okay, welcome back. I hope you guys can see how we predicted DXY, the dollar index, into precision. We wanted price to break and retest that area, which we had a very nice break and retest, and a push continuations to the upside. And also we mentioned on that video that we have cause for concern on this black line, okay, which is the 104 area. That cause, looking left, we would see that this is a strong resistance level, that anything could happen. Price could start retracing all the way to the downside, which it actually did, and price is now on another zone somewhere around here. Okay, so moving forward for this week, okay, where are we looking out for the next setups? Okay, so actually I will still keep my bias, I will still keep my bullish bias, because price currently is on this zone. And if you look at that zone, looking down, you see that we have a trend line running from the downside all the way to the upside, which will have first touch, second touch, third touch, and now we are having more like a fourth touch. So we'll try to see if this first touch is gonna play out. Okay, so looking at the bullish scenario of DXY, we want price to come into this zone and a push continuation back to that resistance level here to the upside of the 104 area. Then we can find more projections like so for DXY. Okay, so that is the bullish scenario. What if price what if price does not buy? Okay, what if price does not go bullish? Okay, so I would be patient enough. I will be patient enough to see price clear this 104.09 area, which is this area that I've marked out. Okay, I give it a break, a retest, and a push continuations all the way to 103 area first level. Then we can target our second level, like the 103.16 area, like so. Okay, so if price does not continue to the upside from this level, okay, we'll be looking out for a break retest of this same zone, and we could target this first zone or the next zone. Okay, I hope you guys should know that price always moves from zone to zone. Okay, but we would love to favor the upside overall. Okay, I would love to favor the upside on the DXY overall. Okay, so moving forward, up next is Euro USD. For Euro USD, like you guys can see, we had a very nice week. Like I said, we have been on an 8-week winning streak on our signals, on our VIP, and also on the free group. Okay, so we have had like 6 trades. Okay, we have sent like 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 6 trades, and we have won 5 trades in a row. Okay, and lost only 1 trade. Okay, we have won 4 trades in a row and lost only 1 trade out of 6 trades. Okay, so these are the trades for the past 2 weeks that you guys have seen. And if you are also on our free Telegram community, like 2 or 3 of these signals has been sent, and this recent one here was an NFP in which we traded together on the free live call. Okay, with the general group. A lot of people made money, which I'm going to include it somewhere around in this video. Okay, so moving forward, for Euro USD for last week, which was the face of March, price was somewhere around here. We wanted price to come into this zone. Okay, give us a retest of that zone, and we can start selling all the way to the downside, which I already give. This was a setup, a textbook kind of setup for you guys, which I already showed you guys how to enter, how to exit on YouTube last week. So if you missed the last week video and you think we are capping, here is the video. Either which way, since we had a 4-hour candle close, which is one of my A setups, okay, I could still take this entries from like so, and if my stop loss can go all the way above this zone, okay, I could take those entries like so. My stop loss can go above that zone, then I'll target our 1:2, 1:3, and like so. Okay, welcome back, guys. I hope you can see how we had predicted Euro USD into precision, just like we analyzed. I already gave you guys a trade. I said you can take that trade from that level and sell all the way to the downside, which is the next zone, which was the 1.073 area, which price also retraced from that area. So you can see how we were selling all of this to the downside, and also we knew that price would retrace, and we started taking we started taking the buys all the way from the base back to the upside. Okay, so this is a set kind of skill that you should know. And if you want to trade the way that we do, okay, do what to click on the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community. And also you want to know reasons or how we are always able to have this kind of sniper entry, sniper exit, and precisely predict price into precision for price movements. You can also get our mentorship. Okay, you can also click the link and DM me to get our mentorship, so that we could mentor you, show you our strategy, our setups, what we look out for our entries and exit of price. Trading should not be difficult. Okay, this does not look like luck. Having 8 weeks of winning streaks overall, okay, having 8 weeks of winning streaks and having five to six winning streaks in a row. Okay, having 5 to 6 winning trades, like you guys can see, signals were being sent, which I'm going to add it somewhere around in this video for you guys. So this is not luck. This is mastering the craft of trading, which I've traded the forex market, the financial market, for the past 5 years, which is over half a decade. Okay, so which we have also made mistakes and make losses, okay, and made profits too in the process, which we are the best to mentor you in this process, to tell you what to do and what not to do. So moving forward, you can see Euro USD, we had some nice bearishness last week, and we started taking the buys again when price also retraced from this area. We had a set of setups, which if you are mentee or you are our mentee, you have a strategy, you know the reason why we had to take these buys all the way from this downside. A very nice sniper entry and sniper exit. So and also this last trade here. This last trade here was a NFP. We traded it live, which I'll also post the video somewhere in this. Maybe I'll make a full video about it, which I had already recorded and posted for you guys to see. So this week, okay, we will be looking for the next level target on price on Euro USD, or what we should do. Okay, so going back to our lower time frame, which more like our 4 hours, we had price retracing off this area on off this zone. Okay, price came back to retest this zone. So actually I would love to see more push continuations to the downside on Euro USD. I'd love to see more push continuations to the downside. Let me move this here. Okay, I would love to see more push continuations to the downside. First level target would be 1.0787 area. Then our next level target would be 1.0785 area. Okay, this support area like so, which those are the levels that we would be looking out for on Euro USD. And mind you, if you look at the daily time frame, okay, if you look at the daily time frame, we still have some space to the downside in which price could push all the way to the downside. And also knowing that the DXY is inversely correlated to Euro USD, okay, since we are looking for bullishness on the DXY, we should be looking for bearishness on the Euro USD. Okay, so what if price does not continue to the downside from here? Okay, I would love to see price do this. Okay, price to give us a nice break. Okay, retest on that zone and a push continuations to the upside. Okay, and we could target this first level or this zone for a push continuations to the upside. So either which way, okay, however that we are looking out for price, we would see how price plays out using our set confirmations and strategy. We would know how to enter and how to exit. So up next is a GDP USD. Okay, for GDP USD, last week you guys saw how we predicted GDP USD, and we wanted price to move all the way from this zone. Okay, we wanted price to move all the way from this zone like so. Okay, which was somewhere around here, and a push continuations to the downside. So if you doubt me or you did not watch our last week video or you think we are capping, here is the video. We'll be looking for something like this, a little break and retest. Okay, little break and retest of that zone, then we can swing all the way to the downside of the 1.252 area. Okay, but there are ways you can. Okay, welcome back. I hope you can see how we predicted GDP USD into precision. So this week, moving forward, price has actually, let's go to the daily time frame so you guys could see clearly. Okay, price has actually retested on another key level all the way up here, which we had already marked out. And also we see that closure, that bearish, that hammer shooting star kind of candle closure here. Okay, so we would be looking forward for more bearishness at least to the 1.25 area all the way to the downside for GDP USD. Okay, for GDP USD. So up next is gold. So for gold, we know that we have been on weeks of bullishness, some strong bullishness on gold, and we have also been taking some little retracement. We have been looking forward for gold to retrace to the downside to give us some deep retracement, but since the dollar is still very much bearish, okay, and the strong bullishness has not occurred yet on the dollar, the gold is still all the way to the upside. So but for last week also we had two trades. We were able to have two successful trades, one during the week. Okay, let's go to like our 15-minute time frame so I could show you guys. Okay, so this was the trade that we took. Okay, we thought price was going to reverse all the way to the downside, which also signals were being sent on our general free group. Okay, so if you're not on the free group, do well to click on the link on the description below to join our free group. And also, if you are watching this video to this moment, please do well to smash that like button and also drop a comment on the comment section. So we had these sales, and we had our next sales was on NFP, which we also made money, and we traded live with you guys, and a lot of people made money from it. So moving forward for this week, we would be, these are the zones I will be looking out for. The 123.02 area. Okay, we we would be looking out for price to retrace to that zone and push continuations to the upside. Okay, let me take that out. So let's do it again. Price retest to this zone and push continuations to the upside for gold. Okay, I won't take you guys long on gold. Okay, I would need a higher time frame clearing to look out for the sells on gold. So for now, I would still be looking out for bullishness on gold until price has cleared market structure. So up next is a USDJPY. USDJPY for the past 2 weeks has been ranging. Okay, like for last week we had predicted price has been ranging, and we had predicted a breakout to either the upside or to the downside, which price has not done that yet. Okay, price has not done that yet, so it has been ranging for the past 2 weeks. So what I do in this case is I would really love to favor the upside. Okay, although price can still break retest to the downside, but I would love to favor the upside. Price to break the upside, retest here, and push continuations to the upside, at least to our next level. Let's check the next level bullishness that we would be looking out for on. Okay, where we have our next resistance is the 159 area, which is this blue line, and you can also see on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, that price has been reacting off this resistance, this weekly time frame resistance, for 1 and 2 times and 3 times, and now price is finding it kind of difficult to clear that high. So we don't expect it, this is even on a weekly time frame, you don't expect it to be easy for price to just break out just like that on the weekly time frame. Okay, so what would happen here is a break, okay, retest, and a push continuations to 159 area. Okay, but our entries will be on the lower time frame, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, or even our 15 minutes time frame. Up next is AUDUSD. Okay, AUDUSD, we saw for last week we had predicted AUDUSD into precisions again. Okay, we had, these are the levels, okay, which I also placed the trade, gave you guys an A setup here on YouTube on how to make entries of somewhere around this area and then push continuations to the downside. So if you missed last week's video, or you did not watch it, or you think we are capping, here is the video. Actually, I have my kind of A setups. Okay, as price is here on this zone, we have 2 bearish candle close. Okay, even market open on Monday, you can put a stop loss on these highs and sell AUDUSD up to maybe your 100% retracement level, or you target this zone of the 10645 area. Okay, welcome back. I hope you can see how we analyze and predicted AUDUSD into precision. Okay, so if you want to do this kind of things, and this is no luck, this is have a decade of experience, you can also join our mentorship, okay, to get mentored by us to also be able to take this kind of setups. Okay, so this week I'll go to our daily time frame, because the 4 hour is quite full of noise. Okay, you can see where price reacted off was a strong resistance area on the higher time frame. Okay, a strong resistance area on a higher time frame. So I would still be looking out for more sells to the downside. Okay, I would still be looking out for more sells to the downside on AUDUSD. Okay, so price has already retested this area, so we would be looking for more sells to at least the 0.565 area, next level 0.6509 area, next level, which is also the support all the way to the downside. So that will be our look on AUDUSD. Last but not the least, NZDUSD. Okay, NZDUSD, last week you guys saw how we predicted NZDUSD into precision. Okay, we had these levels being marked out. We said price will come to that area, retest that area, and drop all the way to the downside. So if you missed last week's video, you think we are capping, here is the before. We'll be having some continuations on NZDUSD. Is this zone? Okay, is this zone all the way to 0.587 area. Okay, so I hope you can see how we were able to predict NZDUSD into precision. We had this nice sells all the way to the downside. This, like I said, this is a kind of knowledge that you gain when you're always sticking to the chart and your analysis, and when your strategy is the best of strategies. Okay, you can see how our strategies has kept us in an 8-week winning streak, and also giving us 6 winning trades in a row. So this is no luck, this is mastering the craft of trading and your strategy. Okay, so for this week, I would, if you go to our daily time frame, you see where price has reacted from. Okay, you see where price has reacted from. Price is actually reacting off this this key level, okay, this area of interest. So price has already retested there on the lower time frame, so I'll be looking for more push to the downside, at least first level target. Let me put a line there, which is a 100% retracement level, which is a 0.593 area. Okay, 0.593 area, first level target. Then we can go all the way to 0.587 area, but you know price moves from zone to zone, and that will be it for NZDUSD and for this week. Okay, so guys, if you like this kind of content, please do well to smash that subscribe button, drop a nice comment on the comment section, let us know what you see on our analysis this week, and what you guys are also expecting. And also do well to share our content across the social media platform. Click on the share button, like, share, and also subscribe if you're a new subscriber or this is your first time and getting through our channel. And always remember to trade your plan and plan your trade. And you can also follow me on Twitter at admire_fx. On Twitter, I also drop free educational nuggets today. And currently I am taking a challenge of 100k naira to 1 million naira, okay, which is approximately $80 to $1 million naira. Okay, so if you wish to join this challenge, okay, do well to join our free Telegram community, and also create an account with the EXNESS link, okay, which would be dropped on the description too, and send me a screenshot so that I could add you to the group in which I'm going to be sending. We are going to be having the challenge for the 100k to $1 million naira challenge. Okay, the challenge is actually free. All you just need to do is to register with the EXNESS link, through the EXNESS link, which I'm going to give to you. Send me a screenshot of proof that we are registered and funded. Okay, the funds is all yours. I'll send you guys free signals until we can achieve 100k to a 1 million naira challenge. Okay, so that will be it for this week. Always remember to plan your trades and trade your plan, and see you guys next week. Cheers.